Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bold RC, coming to you guys again with yet another video. And today, listen, it is only January. I know we ended last year off strong with the Gatorade unboxing, but this one right here, and this box before me, we gonna have to get something big this year to beat this unboxing right here. This is a special package from the homies over at Champ Sports, and it's not just shoes. So they DM'd me earlier in the week, so I already kind of know what's in here, and I just really want to get into it and show you guys, because package is just, you will see. You will understand why I'm talking like I'm talking when you see what's in the box. So let me just go ahead and move my phone out of the way, and of course the good old trusty knife. I'm gonna break this side open. Now I really hope that I have this on the right side, and I really don't want to mess up the box. And this box was a heavy pack. I'm so glad I was able to actually get it, because today it just started snowing kind of heavy in Virginia, and when it starts snowing in Virginia, people do not know what to do. Okay, so we got the main thing open. I'm gonna try to pick this up, because like I said, man, this joint is heavy, dog. This shit is heavy. Peel this part back, peel that down. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do is slide it straight out the box and just pull the box off. So here we go. Hopefully this one, this will work. Yes. There we go. Don't need that anymore. And oh shit, that just knocked over my light. And here it is, bruh. Full size, real deal Holyfield DJ case. Let me just go ahead and hit these latches real quick in the back, and you guys can see that it does open up. On the top it does say Adidas and Champ Sports on the front. This joint is crazy. This is, like I said, man, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to beat this one for 2018, but the whole DJ case, and I think this actually should pop off. Maybe not. Oh yes, it does. So that is the inside. Let me go ahead and put this on the side of us, because I don't need it at the moment. And let's get into the main deal, the actual whole unboxing. This right here is real deal, bro. I think y'all can kind of see it from the top, but I want to move it up just so you guys can see it a little bit better. So what I'm gonna try to do is just spin this around just so you guys can actually see it a little bit better. And this shit is slick heavy. Slick heavy. First things first, it starts off with a note right up top. Through exploration, we find new ideas, new ways of thinking, new ways to create. Drop the needle on your exclusive NMD camo vinyl and be inspired by 2 instrumental tracks pulled from the world of Rich the Kid. All right, new freezer. Check out the camo collection available exclusively at Champ Sports. So Champs, thank you for the note. I'm gonna put these right back here. And I'm gonna start from this side of the box. Then we're gonna hop to this side, and we're gonna finish with the middle, just so you guys can kind of see what we're working on right here. This is on the inside of the box. Shit's crazy. So starting off on the right side of the box, immediately I see this speaker, and I'm just going to assume that this is Bluetooth. And there's also a wireless 2-in-1 audio receiver and transmitter. And I'm assuming this combined with this is gonna get us that instrumental, but we're gonna have to wait for a little bit to get that all popping. I'm gonna set it up for the video, but I know I ain't gonna be able to do it just right off rip. So it comes with this DAW speaker. It has a camo layout on the top. This will definitely look nice in the background. Somewhere in the background, this is gonna look really good. And we will be testing this one out. We're gonna test this out a little later, so I'm gonna just set that right there. They also included an Adidas camo crew neck, so I have to assume the shoe they're gonna be throwing in here is some type of green camo Adidas, and I do see it's a black box, and it is going to be a green NMD bam on the back, Adidas crew neck for sure. And there are a lot, because I think this is a legitimate DJ case. If I wanted to start DJing, I could use this exact case that they sent me. There's a lot of power cords, a lot of stuff to plug in, and I'm gonna mess with that all a little bit later, just because if I try to set it up now, well, matter of fact, let me just look real quick. Maybe I can get it to work. Okay, and we are back. I went ahead and hooked a couple things up, and hopefully we can get this to work. So you guys know on the card they had right here, it says there's some instrumentals right here on this vinyl. They have an all over Adidas NMD camo vinyl included on this joint. If we take this out, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I am 23 years old and I don't think I've ever actually put a vinyl on and played it. Like, this is gonna be something new for me. So hopefully I don't scratch it up not knowing what I'm doing. So this right here is also in here a record player with a camo slip mat on the top, Champs and Adidas logoing on it, and this is a full size player. Now I have an NERD record, but I don't think it will play on this. It was one of the smaller records and I got it at Complex Con, and honestly I don't know where that's at. I really need to find it actually. Anyways, let's try to figure this out. So of course this is the top. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this off. Go ahead and take some of this off right here, and I think all of this is okay. I probably should look this up before I try to do it.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Selling the turntable. Take this off.
A few moments later.
Hold both ends. It's fully seated in the spindle.
Eventually.
Shit.
20 minutes later.
Hold on. Shit. Okay, we are finally back, and I understand how this works. So I had it messed up the first time, so blam. This plate right here, there's a rubber band that sticks out, okay? You place this on here. This goes, and make sure it doesn't flip, because if it flips, it's gonna be no good. Place this over here, toss that little metal or rubber band on the plate, blam, you're good to go. That's what was messed up the first time. Also, don't have this on there, it's not a real slip mat. Put this, blam, it works. Then you take this right here, toss this on the top, and basically, you should be good to go. So if I press start, this should work. Should, keyword. We have press start, we're spinning, and this should immediately go over this way at some point, because it's already set to 12. Speaker's already plugged in, so we should be good. And drop right about now. Let's see if it works. There you go, told you. Now I didn't do this. Shouts out to the production team that is behind the camera right now that helped me figure this out. So yes, and I don't know, it's like a little click in the background, but yes, this is it actually working. This is what it looks like, and it does. If you want to do that, you can. And then let's see what else we got. So the vinyl is playing. There's 2 instrumentals on that, and I can move all of this stuff out the way. So yes. Finally, in 2018, I figured out how to work a record player. And you can make it go slower. Oh, no, that's the faster one. I was on the slow joint. You wanna freestyle? Go ahead, freestyle over the beats. No freestyle? Okay, alright, that's cool. So there is the record player, which is pretty cool because I've never set up or played anything like that ever before. Maybe if I actually turn this down, I could let it rock, but I feel like it's gonna be a little bit too loud. There you go. Okay, so let's just get to the rest. I'm gonna let this rock. Hopefully this is not copyrighted somehow. So right here in the middle, we have the actual Adidas NMD in the box. So this one right here, like I said, I've seen Rich the Kid wearing these around. I've seen a couple Champs ads with him in it. Extra black laces, of course. And it's just an all over olive green Adidas NMD, and it just has a subtle camo hit on the back right here. So out of all the goodness in the pack, this was of course the last piece, an all over olive green NMD R2, of course, with the camo in the back. And this is, I don't know who's gonna beat this, bro. It's already, like I said, January of 2018, and I'm already getting DJ cases, turntables in the mail. So thank you, Adidas. Thank you, Champ Sports, as well. And I feel like I could really DJ with this. Like I can do a little bit with it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing. So listen, those were the shoes, the crew neck, the whole pack, the speaker, the Audio Technica, the turntables, all of that. That is gonna be the end of this unboxing. Yo, major shouts out to Champs. Major shouts out to Adidas. This might be in the unboxing hall of fame as far as it goes on my channel at least. There's a lot more cords, there's a lot more stuff. Let me turn it down a little bit. I like the slower version. So listen guys, that is gonna be it for the video. Much love for all the fan, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, blah. Of course, hold on, I gotta get the shoes together. Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on the next video. This pack is crazy. Let me just go ahead and leave this on and we can go ahead and get up out of here. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, take that off, bring it back just a little bit for y'all, and we gonna end it just like that. Go ahead. There you go. All right, y'all. Go be easy. I'm out. Peace. I guess in the video like that. Just walk away.